Rise and shine. Hello,
Yes.
Ray.
Hi, Ray. How's it going?
I notice your name is Ray X. It's supposed to be X-Ray.
Hey, Jack, man, I emailed you all because I've been having issues with my PC and need your help. Well, I will have to ask one question. Did you buy a PC from PC Bros? And secondly, where are you emailing us and what's your problem? Because if you're emailing us about a personal PC issue, the best way to ask us like questions about that would be in chat. But if it's a PC Bros system, we should have gotten back to you unless you emailed during the weekend. And if that's the case, we'll get back to you within the next day or so. You want to know who the biggest tech YouTuber? Wait, you want to know who is the biggest tech YouTuber?
It's us.
It's us.
You didn't know
Right
that?
here.
You're literally talking to them.
Oh, Matt's back. Okay. Do you not like me or something absolutely? I'm
Yeah.
back, and you're going to have to deal with it.
Oh, you didn't tell Frost you're going to be gone. He's going to be upset whenever he's here.
Frost is okay. Frost will be fine. Frost's just a poopy boy. Available 24/7. Unfortunately, but it's okay. Oh no, my own PC. But I thought you two were the ones I trust. But I bought it for $900 and it takes too long to boot and other stuff.
Do you have a hard drive?
Yeah, does it have a hard drive? Does it have just really low end specs? Like,
But yeah, if you emailed like, the Toasty Bros email.
I'll be honest with you, if it's anything that says help, I bought a PC and it's not PC Bros related, it probably just doesn't get read. So we just get a lot of that email's primarily for business stuff. So if we get like troubleshooting stuff, it's not really the best way. But this is the best way to ask for troubleshooting help because we're sitting here building a computer and we can just talk with you.
This or going to our Discord. Our Discord community, although toxic, can often help you.
How dare you keep that a secret, Frost? Listen, it wasn't a secret. It just didn't get communicated.
5090, yeah. You guys think the 5090 is going to be like $4 grand?
It's gonna be $4 million. $4 million.
We're starting to get near that time. We're starting to get near like which is weird to think about.
I know, towards the end of the year is when that happens. Hear that GPU sales are at a 2-decade all-time low.
Oh, really?
Yes. Just in general, people are now buying GPUs.
Makes you, I don't know. Is that just because, maybe they're so high-end now that people don't need to buy them? Like maybe they screwed themselves over by having them be so expensive and high-end, Or is it because consoles are taking over?
Console killers. Say the Intel Arc computer you guys recently reviewed were for $490. We're talking about the HP Victus with the Intel Arc, yes.
Yeah.
Warzone Warzone you have to run lower settings, but it'll work. The A380 is pretty.
That's where if you guys ever want to buy merch, it supports us directly, straight from the website. We actually have it in-house. We don't make it in-house, we have it in-house.
We bring it into the house.
And hopefully, if you guys buy enough of it, one day we will make it in-house. No, honestly, with how we've been reviewing like these, like the TG builds and stuff, it's been making me look at like some our dirt cheaps and like we could do better.
We can do better than the dirt
cheaps. We need some real good budget stuff.
The dirt cheaps need to be revived.
I almost honestly think that they're cheap. I think we could make them a little bit cheaper and then fill the gap. Because we could look that gap where it's like it goes straight from
like 2 to 4
or something.
Yeah, to 300.
And then it goes to 5 with the
10105
yeah.
build.
Which honestly, those are probably getting. I would assume pretty soon we're gonna have to phase those out, or at least go to 12100s or 13100s. Well, that's the other thing about Amazon now, though, is they're starting to charge for like a lot of their returns, which I think really sucks. Unless maybe they're just doing that to us. They got tired of us.
They're tired of us, and they're like, you gotta pay for that.
No, like they'll literally send us. When we buy a brand new product, they'll send it to us. It's used as hell and it's broken, like it doesn't work, and then they make us pay to return it. Even though it's only, we'll literally have just pulled it out of the package. You ordered a brand new 011 Dynamic Razor Edition. It was just a regular 011 Dynamic used and beat to crap. Yeah, I really think that whenever you do Amazon renewed or refurbed, I don't think they even check the product. I think it's more of if they have someone send something back and they don't put the right description, because I think if you put the item was defective, they will never just resend it. But I think the problem is people will know that their item is bad, or they'll purposely replace it with something that's shitty, like something that's crappy and not even the right product. So they'll put oh, it's not what I, it's not what I wanted, or this isn't the right product, I don't like it.
Yeah, I don't have one screen. Yeah, it has that lean. As in separate from a regular video. Yeah, so how our ads work, especially for that video, that would have been a sponsored video where we were paid by NZXT to do the unboxing, go over key talking points and everything. And then from there, that video will go on the YouTube channel, and then NZX will be like, hey, I want to use this in my promotional ads. We want to use it to run on Facebook ads, wherever. You would just be like, okay, well, we'll give you the rights, unlimited usage rights, or a period of usage rights for a year, 6 months, or whatever. And then you price that accordingly so they can use the content you made for that purpose as well. It's very much, you can buy what you want, but if there's a problem, we don't really want you saying there's a problem. So
and that's where you reply back and say, we can buy what we want anyways. We're the toasty bros.
I like this. Look at this. That's adorbs.
Whole team. Wow, that's their whole team. There's only one guy that looks old enough to be doing this.
We bought a lot from them recently.
We have. I've never seen. Yeah, this is new though. I think we've got your back. I wonder if they. You know what? I think they might have their own site. I wonder if they do PC builds. You know. What is summer break? I taught school. Oh, I thought school was 365 a year. There's some schools that do that.
Yeah.
And they do like quarterly breaks. I don't really know how long the breaks are.
Speaking of anything else you need to plug in before I put this in?
No. I don't know why I think about this already. I honestly wish when we went to school it was like that. Because I felt like the summer breaks were like too long. And I came back like stupid.
Yeah, it very much, you come back and you're just like, oh,
You're like, oh.
I know nothing.
And you like really don't want to be there. Yeah, Chad, any of you all ever do the like 365 school? Where like you get like, you know, big winter break, big fall break, summer break, spring break. Because I guess like in a way we get all those, it's just summer break.
Summer's just extra.
It's like 2 months long.
I don't know.
What we're saying is kids these days are soft. They got soft hands.
Kids should only have 2 weeks off for summer.
Where's Jedi at when you need him?
I will say though, this YouTube channel was definitely built on us doing a lot of work during the summer.
Oh yeah.
So the summer was very beneficial for that. But most kids are probably just, you know,
playing video games. We definitely did play video games though.
Yeah, a lot of video games. A lot of late night video game sessions.
Yeah, but when you think about it, that's what this is all
That's
about.
what it's all about.
Literally about trying to get better FPSs, to get better at video games. Yeah, it seems like it's gonna. I know this weekend they're calling for rain like every single day, but then throughout the week it didn't say any rain, so I don't know.
Gloomy, gloomy, gloomy.
All grass needed it. Ass or grass?
See, guys, we've never built in this case before.
It's been a while.
It has been a little bit. The fans are not spinning up front.
Maybe they need a minute.
Maybe they need.
I don't think we ever plugged in any fans. Now I'm thinking about it.
Yeah.
I do remember seeing a fan header. Like yeah, here it is.
There it is. Hey.
We're good to go now. How many fans does this case come with pre-installed? It comes with 4 pre-installed, which is pretty crazy.
4 RGB fans. It's the Air 100 ARGB. Right now on Newegg, I think it's like $59. 50. It's like it's been on sale for a while because I think Montec's coming out with new cases. I hope they keep this one or make a newer version that's this cheap, but
I don't really know what they could do with a newer version. You know?
I don't know. It's
the only thing maybe I would change is this. I think it'd be cool if it was sunk with a mesh on top.
What we have right here is an awesome gaming PC featuring the i5 12600KF and an RTX 3070.
Yeah, to name off some of the other specs, such as this Montec Air 100 case, which is finally back. We love this case, and we hadn't gotten to use it in quite a while, but yeah, around $55 to $60 for this case. We highly recommend checking it out. It comes with 4 ARGB fans. We also have the B660M Pro RS, the Crucial P3 Plus, 1TB Gen 4 SSD, 16 gigs, 3200 MHz RGB RAM, and Intermex Revolution DF2 850W 80 plus gold, so you got a big upgrade path in here. And then the V-True V240. And this build will be for sale at PCBros.tech for, I wrote $, I forgot the amount. I'm gonna assume $1,200.
$1,200 over at PCBros.tech. You can buy this PC and many others, even some laptops on the website. Use code ToastyBros2 on checkout. You'll save 2% on your next purchase. Alright, gamers, we're gonna find someone to raid. Thank y'all for watching today.
Alright, guys, we're reading Jay Stark. Hope you guys enjoy. We'll be live same time tomorrow. See you all later.